This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the fundamentals. Set zoom to 100 and pick a clear font so numbers and text align. Once done, freeze the header row to keep labels visible while you scroll. That improves orientation. Next, remove or hide unused columns. This reduces noise and speeds work. Make sure to check different screen sizes. If content overflows, adjust column width and wrap text so cells stay readable and consistent. You now build consistent structure. Apply alternating row colors so readers track rows easily, especially in long tables. Then create a tiny style guide, pick one header color, one data color, and one accent color, and stick to it across sheets for visual hierarchy. Next, format numbers correctly, dates, currency with dollar and 2 decimals, and percentages with %. This tells the viewer what each column represents and reduces misreading. You finish by adding polish. Use conditional formatting to surface outliers and targets so action items pop. Once done, add data validation to control inputs. Drop-down lists and date pickers cut errors. Then do a final pass. Align numbers right, text left, remove grid lines if you want a cleaner look, and freeze panes that matter. If things go wrong, check conditional rules and validation ranges first. Often a misapplied range is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.